Hello, welcome to today's question. So it says a line L1 passes through a point Q, -2, -1 and is parallel to another line L2 passing through points S, which is 4, 1 and T, which is -2, -8. Find the equation of L1 in the form AY plus BX is equals to C. So we can come up with those two lines so that you can see. So we can assume these are our two lines. So they are parallel to each other. This is L1 and this one is L2. So then you have been told that L1 passes through a certain point, which is Q. You have been given the coordinates are -2, -1. Then L2 passes through 2 points, S, which is 4, 1 and T, which is -2, -8. So we just need to find the gradient of this line, and this gradient is the same as the gradient of this line, because we say that when two lines are parallel, their gradient is always equal. So we are going to say gradient of L2 is change in y over change in x. So we can take the y coordinate this side, which is -8, we minus the y coordinate this side, which is 1, divide by x coordinate this side, which is -2, minus the x coordinate this side, which is 4. So if you do this one, you get it is -9 divided by -6. So simplified, our m will be equals to 3/2. Negative cancels by 3, 3 by 3, 2. So this is our gradient, and the gradient of this one is the same as the gradient of this one. So if you know the gradient of this one, which is 3, 2, and it is passing through this point, which is -2, -1, then we just pick an arbitrary point x, y, or simply a general point. Then we are going to say gradient is change in y over change in x. So therefore, we substitute these values in this formula. So m is 3/2 is equals to change in y. So you start with this arbitrary point, pick this y, minus the y coordinate this side, which is -1, divide by the x coordinate here, which is just x, minus the x coordinate this side, which is -2. So this one will be 3/2 is equals to, so these minus, they always turn to positive. So this will be y plus 1 over x plus 2. So if you cross multiply, we're going to have 2 into y plus 1 is equals to 3 into x plus 2. So if you open the bracket, we're going to have 2y plus 2 is equals to 3x plus 6. So we just arrange this one in this form. So already it is starting with y. So we are going to have 2y. Then we bring this value this side, so it is positive. So we're going to have minus 3x is equals to, this one is 6. This one you bring this the other side 2. It's positive, it becomes negative, so it will be minus 2. So finally you're going to have 2y minus 3x is equals to 4. And if you see this one, we have arranged it in the form AY plus BX is equals to C. And this is our answer. Thank you, and let us meet in our next video.